Hello, everyone. Welcome to Fijian investment trader known as Fijian Traders. This is your host, Mr. Singh. Folks, OCGN, what a roller coaster week. Folks, first of all, my apologies for not doing the video for a week now. I'm sorry. My last video was from Hawaii. Then I went to Fiji Islands for my vacation. Another one. You can see my voice is a little off right now. Got a little bit sick there, but I'm back. I flew in last night. The first thing that I did was started with getting a little better and start doing my diligence on OCGN. What's going on? I had a lot of questions. If I still holding my shares, what is going on? And folks, I am gonna cover it. I am not going anywhere. I am gonna be part of it. And moving forward, I want to make sure that I do a video constantly providing update on the technical side, fundamental side, where we at, so we don't miss anything. And let's go, right? So let's talk on the daily side. We still have in about 45 minutes left market to close. I got excited. I said, let's go. Why not do the video and start sharing with you guys? So clearly on the technical side, you can see that our market opened up. But before we start on the technical side, I want to share some news. I want to discuss with you guys what is going on, right? Announcement for what came in a couple days ago, right? Is Ocgn announces dosing of completion of subject with the strategic on of the phase of one out of phase and half clinical trials. Great news, right? This is one of the news came out a couple days ago. If you have not missed it, go ahead and check it out. Another development, another growth, another news for OCGN and drives in on that. What about the stock, right? $7.50 is the target. I believe this stock has to be over $10, and I can see it happening over the $10. I don't have a crystal ball to predict the future, but I can say it is a bound to happen at any time given time, which some of the great news coming in, which is also is this news, right? What happened? OCGN chairman, Mr. Shankar, and the CEO to present at Abu Dhabi's Family Office Summit. Abu Dhabi area is not a small place, right? Where there is a big will, big investors always jump in and helps the company and invest on the company to grow and produce to another level, right? Why are they doing it over there? There's also, it's a very key technical marketing concept they use. Company uses it, and also to look for investors to invest in the company so it can take it to the next level. And when it's going to happen? Well, the summit will be held on February 29 to March 1st of 2024 and Sayed Rotanga Resort and Villas in Abu Dhabi's of United Emirates, right? So this is a great news. They are not playing on. This is the third time they have done it in 1 month, and I'm excited about it because they are talking about the stage 3 clinical trials and other stages they are on, and which is a great news because we definitely want to hear that on my shares, right? And this is my portfolio I have. I'm a very happy investor, folks. And I'm still have OCGN shares, still have 47,000 sitting on it. On my YouTube channels, you can clearly see that I do all the stocks such as Neo, Mara, Tesla, Plug, ACMC, and so forth, right? And even the stocks that I'm about to buy, I'm going to discuss on it too. But this is on my long-term portfolio, so you can see that I do options too, like on my Mara, I have options, and also on that OCGN, I'm still looking at the options, folks. I am very keen to get some option calls for OCGN. I have not invested yet, but I'm going to do it because I'm still over here on my green side, and I'm about 50,000 shares on that. So my plan is to have some option trading for also for the call option coming up, and why with all this great news coming in, it is bound to happen to break at least a $5 mark to or making the way to the $10, right? So this is my portfolio. I have not gone anywhere. I know people have been commenting, oh, he stopped doing the video because he sold it. No, folks, I have not gone anywhere. I'm here for the long road, and I want to share with you guys what is going on. So let's talk on the technical side, which is my favorite part of it. So today, right, clearly I talked about my resistance right here, right? I talked about my my support level sitting at 89 cents. We break down actually lower than that, right? Let me fix my chart quickly, folks, so I can share with you guys. And what are we looking at? And the 1 minute, here you go, it's going to reset it. Perfect. So the market opened up right around in that 90 cents area. My pink line is my 200 EMA address, it's 200 EMA, and this red line is my resistance, my support level over here, which I discussed in my previous video. Keep an eye, and you can clearly see that we broke actually below than that to 87 cents, but then we were testing throughout the day, an hour actually in the market. And the yellow line is a warp line, and the blue line is my 60-day EMA right here, and we broke through. We went high of 98 cents, and we tested today actually twice, and we couldn't break it. 98 cents, a very strong resistance level. Sorry, yeah, resistance was sitting up there. But you can clearly see that the pink line, which is my 200 EMA, was acting as a support. Right now during this video, we're sitting about 95 cents. 96 cents, and which is great. Why it is great? You must be thinking, it's like, man, we went from all the way to 74 cents and 130 to 74 cents in a week. Yes, folks. Why is that? Is I'm going to discuss it later in the video, so do not go anywhere because we have a lot to cover. Now we are trading sideways. In the 5-day trend, you can see that we broke to 74, we jump back in this category where it is 89 cents to $1.05, where we want to see the trending it. And it's setting up for beautiful because we had this 5-day. We have the sell-off, right? The 5-day, we have the sell-off. Actually, I'll go back to 1 month. It's easy to look at it that way. You can see on this right here, when we made high of 150, people have sold it. Why? Man, people have been doing holding shares at 40 cents, 50 cents, and they want to cash it out, right? There's most of the people, right? So the law, so this are the new investors right here, or some over there, but majority are the new investors right here. The investors who have been sitting over here, most of them have sold it out. Not me. I kept it because I have a plan. I knew it's going to come down to that, but I knew it's not going to come down to that level that I bought it into shares below 50 cents. I'm not going to get it, so that's why I'm holding my shares on that. Granted, I should have sold it, but if I wanted to, but that was not my plan, right? Always invest where you always have a plan of your entry and exit on that, right? So the 200-day is clearly is my 200 the support level sitting here, which is the beautiful pink line, and the blue line which is sitting here at on the 1 month, right? It's 92 cents, so it's two support level. So we see trading above on that. When you see that, it had this changeover. We had this big dive. You can clearly see that now we're making higher highs right now and higher lows on that, and we're making this way. MACD, folks, we are keeping some momentum right here, right? RSI still have a lot of room to run, so still we still on the uptrend moment, right? And we're going to go to look at 3 months because that's something that I wanted to share with you guys. Very important because this is very, very important, folks. So don't go anywhere. We had a reversal. And I talked to you guys about, hey, folks, it's going to come down to this level and going to break down. Now, MACDs also have an RSI. Look at that. We have a lot of room left, right? And everything is pointing for another uptrend coming up. And look at this gap right here. So we look at it right here, and this excites me, folks. It really excited me. I wish my voice was a little better today, but I'm very excited because it is gaining that momentum, right? And you want that momentum right here. So right now, see that right here. So that's why I'm gonna have this chart drawn up here to our next support level at 105 to see if it's going to be trading or trading below on that. I'm very confident going to test this, making this higher highs and higher lows throughout the time, but it's going to have the reversal of coming in. So overall, the chart is looking great because now you have these new investors. Everybody has sold over here from here to here, and are the new banks of investors are coming in. Volume predicts price. We have a good decent amount of volume. You can clearly see that, but for past 4 days we have a little bit an offset volumes because this is a new set of investors. We're speaking in Abu Dhabi, and it's between February 28th to March 1st, which gonna be a very critical because they're gonna get more updates coming on, right? And they're gonna release and get more investors involved. Once you get the news from any investors from Abu Dhabi getting involved in OCGN, it's a game over. It's a game changer because there's gonna be roofing. The stock is gonna be sitting at anytime in those cross section over $5 in my prediction, right? No, this is not a final advisor. Definitely, I'm just doing my due diligence and sharing my fundamentals on OCGN because I'm very known. Have been trading this stock for over 4 years now. Got some gains, some losses, and understand how these stocks works and the company how they perform on that. So definitely, we're looking at making these higher highs and higher lows right here. You can see that I'm gonna have these. My support level still sitting over here. The two red ones is my support. My blue lines is my resistance level. And you can see that we got to break the 105. 105 is very critical because you can see the time and time was acting as a support and now it's acting a resistance where we had this massive breakout from that, go all the way up high. But now we're making that. The gap has been filled. You see the gap from here to here was filled right up here. Understandable. And now it is very looking at a phenomenal rate, and we got to look at the 6 months, right? 6 months we are trading our moving average on that. And why I'm saying is reversal coming, check this out, folks, because on the 6 months Day after red, these bars are dying. So now it is a reversal coming up. Everything is indication for a reversal for another uptrend is coming up, and it's right clearly shows right here on the 6-month chart. So nothing, like I said, everything is pointing towards that, right? And look at this, look at everything is green on today on the stocks that I've been looking at it and trading it, and it's beautiful cut setup, right? OCGN definitely needs to break that 105. So 105 is a very key area to keep an eye moving forward, because it has a major resistance level sitting, and then the next one is the biggest one is sitting at in my books is about $130. I know 150 is the next one, but we got to take the baby steps, right? So let's see if it's been trading in between this channel, making higher highs and higher lows, and oh, we're gonna have another dip to coming to 74 cents. I don't see it, because the technical side is clearly showing us a reversal is coming up. So buckle up, it is a reversal coming up, and I'm very excited about it. Hey folks, thank you for watching the video. I'm back and getting better, so I'm gonna be sharing my technical more videos coming up in this week, so stay tuned. I am not going anywhere. I'm here for the long run and share with you guys my key due diligence and technical analysis on OCGN. So folks, thank you very much for watching it. Don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button though. Thank you.